So guys, so this is our ingredients for our macaroni salad. So I have two boiled eggs, I have black pepper, I have my mayonnaise and onions, macaroni. You can use any kind of macaroni. This is my garlic powder, my salt, and my mixed vegetables. So this is mixed with carrots, beans, peas, corn. I mean, you can use any kind of vegetables when you are making it. Okay, all right, let's go. Yola, our macaroni salad is ready. Guys, it's looking yummy and appetizing. So this can be a side dish and it can also be a main dish. Okay, side dish or main dish, your little jollof on the side and this on the side as well. You can also consume this as a whole meal or a main course meal. Okay guys, looking yummy. There's protein in it, there's carbs in it, there's vegetables in it. Charlie, what else do you want, chai? So with the egg, you can substitute the egg with chicken, meat, ham, whatever it is. You can substitute it with that, and you can use any kind of macaroni of your choice. And guys, you are good to go. So if you like it cold, you want to freeze it a little bit. If you don't want it cold, you can. I don't like cold stuff, so I'm gonna consume it. And guys, you are invited. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. And I will see you next time. Bye.